Get ready, Red Sox fans. The Yankees are in town with the AL East hanging in the balance. The Sox hold the top spot in the standings with New York nipping at their heels. The Bronx Bombers arrive Thursday, staying until Sunday for a 4-game set. The Sox send Brian Johnson to the mound versus CC Sabathia to open the series. Rick Porcello faces Luis Severino on Friday. Nathan Eovaldi and J.A. Happ square off Saturday if Happ overcomes a case of hand, foot, and mouth disease. And David Price closes things out with Masahiro Tanaka on Sunday. Two big names we won't see: Chris Sale, placed on the 10-day DL with left shoulder inflammation, and Yankees slugger Aaron Judge, who is out with a fractured right wrist. The teams have split the 6 games they've played so far, but the Sox have momentum, winning 4 of their last 6, while the Yankees have dropped 4 of their last 6.